Do you have an idea or where you think the industry is going in the next 10 years? I think you already hinted at it's going to be all technology.
Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty wild how much the industry has changed in 5 years. So I think in
Yes.
10, 15, I mean, the average car on the road is 12.8 years ish,
Hmm.
almost 13. And so if you think about 10 years from now, the cars that are, fairly new, year or
That are
two
going to
old, will
be,
be old.
yeah,
And so, and all these
today's
cars, of
cars
course,
10
have
years from now.
TVs on the dash
Yep.
and all sorts of stuff. So I can't imagine what it'll be like
ADAS,
then.
lane change
But
assist. I mean, just massive computer
yeah,
stuff in the
we might be flying in the future, Paul. Who knows?